The Mercedes Convertible and Coupe has a design issue that after heavy rain, water doesn't drain out of the rear sills. The way to release this water is to undo the plastic screw that is in the rubber mounting jack point. As you can see, I've started to undo the screw and water is starting to drain. The way to fix this problem permanently is to drill 4 holes into the plastic screw, allowing water to drain out after heavy rain, and it will leave your sills free from water permanently. Hope you like the video, hope it's going to help you. If you like the content, please subscribe.